Well guys, welcome to the channel. If you don't know, my friends call me Schlongbed Barry, but this time we're bringing home a short bed. Something a little unusual, but got Dorothy here with the trailer, currently loading it up, so I'm out of breath. But let's see if we can get this thing loaded and get it home, and I'll give you a little look. Alright, so we're home, safe and sound, and you may be wondering, why would someone like me, who absolutely adores the long bed, and you may not know this about me, but specifically on the square bodies, I think that the long bed looks more proportional front to cab and bed than the short beds do. For some reason, I think if you just look at a short bed, square body specifically, down the side, it just looks off. That's my personal opinion. A lot of people are going to disagree, but there's a lot of people out there who love the long beds, just like me. And I think they're a better truck. I'm just going to go ahead and say it. That's who I am. I love the long bed. But you may be wondering, why would I end up with this short bed, step side? And if you know me, you probably know I like unique trucks. And my 73 Cheyenne Super that's in the barn is kind of unique. It's a long bed, of course, but it's a factory YG2 wood grain option. And this one, been driving by this truck for a few years now, living here, seen it every day, pass it, look, see if it's there. And one day the property came up for sale and I decided to stop and look. Lo and behold, that's right, factory bucket and console. And not only is it a factory bucket and console truck, it was a 5-speed 350 TBI. So this was a pretty unique truck. First year for the OBS 88. Bucket seat 350 5-speed. So that definitely made me interested. Called the owner, talked to him a little bit. He was actually planning on fixing it up. Got the motor and transmission up to rebuild. But we settled on a price. Pretty happy with that. Don't know if I'm going to disclose that because a lot of you would probably hate me. Because yes, it is rough. It's rusty. Cab corners and rockers obviously need to be replaced. Fenders both have a little bit of rot up here in the front. Back, not too bad. You know, there's a little bit. Front of the bed looks good. The back, you know, it's starting to peel apart back there. Frame, not too bad. You know, it's dirty. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but solid. No serious damage that I can see. Just some surface rust here and there. Pretty clean little truck, other than, you know, obviously those spots there. Haven't had a chance to really look at the floor underneath the carpet here, you know, headliner sagging, all of that stuff. But I think, as you know, for the condition, what I can afford, the guy and I both, you know, immediately settled on the price that we both were comfortable with. He shot it out there. That is exactly what I wanted to pay, actually what I had to spare. So let me know, what do you think about this truck? I have an idea in mind. I'm thinking autocross. That's something that Jesse at Level 7 has kind of piqued my interest in. If you don't know, Level 7 Motorsports, Marion, Illinois, check them out. He's built an awesome square body race truck. That's one thing they kind of specialize in, is race trucks. They do other things too, but I've been on a couple ride-alongs with him in autocross, and he really piqued my interest in that. And I just think this is the perfect platform. Obviously, motor and trans, like I said, have been pulled, but factory 5-speed V8 truck, factory 5-speed 350 V8 truck, bucket seats and console. I mean, this is where it's at, man. Just so cool. So yeah, we'll get it unloaded at some point, get this thing squared away, start tinkering with it a little bit. This is going to be probably a very slow process. I got kids, got a family, job, building a fence, taking up a lot of time and money, but just wanted to put this out there and see what y'all thought. I'm definitely planning on documenting everything on this channel. Probably a little bit of collaboration with UBT along the way somewhere, but yeah, I'm excited to figure this one out with you guys. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Go ahead and like, subscribe to my channel if you don't mind, and let's see what we can do with this thing.